ZX logo 17A for the Mac. You're going to like this one because the turtle's a nice shape, kind of interesting animal, but kind of dull. We're going to be able to change the turtle into any really kind of shape you want. Up here at the top with the color palette, if you click on the color palette, we've been there before with the colors and stuff like this, changing to colors and things like that. But if you click on this one, it's the sunflower. It says singles. Logo comes preloaded with, I don't know, 60, 80, 100 shapes already in a library. Stuff you can't change. Don't worry, you're not going to lose them. They're always there. Put your cursor on top of it, and this one's called Fish 1. This one's called Fish 2, no spaces. Be careful of that. Fish 3, Fish 4, Fish 5, etc. I like the penguin. If you click on it, it has the square around it. That means it's highlighted. Come over to the turtle, click on that. You just change your turtle to a penguin. Now, the penguin, we'll talk about how to rotate it here in a moment, or maybe next lesson, but the penguin's going to remain just like that. If you, let's say you like a car, come over, click on the car, kid riding a bicycle, whatever. You just put 3 shapes into the backpack. If you go up to the eye again, that eye is pretty important. Click on the eye, click on the turtle. You have all kinds of things for that particular turtle. For instance, if I click on this, that shows you which turtle. Now, for one turtle, you don't need it, but let's say you got 10 turtles on there. You click on that, that's the turtle. It's called T1. You can rename it here in a moment. You can edit that if you want. X coordinate, this is why we study math. It's at 0, 0. It's headed up. 0 is heading. Size 40, that's normal for shapes. Set shape, we'll talk about set rotate maybe in a moment. And the pen is down. There's all kinds of things, but right now I'm going to concentrate on the shapes down here at the bottom. I put all these shapes, when I clicked on them, it put them into the backpack. You need the shapes into your backpack. Let's see, this one's called Swan, I think. That one's called whatever. No, I'm not sure. Set shape 0. Here's your new command. SETSH stands for set shape. If I want the penguin, set shape penguin. Let's see, what else was in the backpack? The swan was, what's a swan? Just called swan. If I change it to set shape swan, now it's a swan. You can put all of these into the backpack. I don't know if you noticed this, but there was a whole bunch. You can put almost those shapes into the backpack. And then it will store them. We'll talk about modifying them because it's going to get even better here in the next lesson or two. We're going to get out of that. I got all these things in here. I'm going to make a program. Too many shapes. Repeat, maybe 10. Set the shape to penguin. Wait a little bit, like 5/10 of a second. Set the shape to swan. Wait maybe 5. Let's see, I think it was house. You can also use the whole word, set shape, and wait 5. Come back over here to the command center. Many shapes. Oh, it does not like house. I thought I put a house in there. Let's see, I got swan, I got this car. What's that car called? It's just plain car. Forget the house. We'll change the house to a car. It has to be in your backpack to work with it. You can change the shapes, but notice that it still is the same direction as it was. Should be done here any moment. Even if I take a right 90, it doesn't change the shape. Take a left 180. It doesn't change the direction of the shape. I mean, it does the turtle, but you don't see the turtle. You see the shape. Now, do you remember that program called Sizer? Let's see. Do I have Sizer on here? Yes, I do. Sizer. I'm going to go back and change the car to a penguin. Set shape penguin. You could rename it. I'm going to use Sizer, the program I used before, to grow the penguin. Then make it go smaller. Kind of cool, huh? Should give you some ideas for future things. Color palette, singles, all these shapes have a name. T-engine, train, boat. You put them into the backpack. You call them up by saying set shape, S-E-T-S-H or S-E-T-S-H-A-P-E with quotes, like we've done before many times. But now you've got the opportunity to do all kinds of things with new shapes.